Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexwebs.com. And guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel till now, then please do subscribe it. And also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can also keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the expert advisor that I am testing it, and we have achieved some good results with this expert advisor. You can see that some of the trades are triggered during today, and it has given us profit here. And if we look about the another trade, because basically we have a group of friends who are testing this EA, and guys, we have tested it on Canadian dollar CHF and Euro CAD, Euro USD. It's giving good results overall. So guys, this is a very good EA, and this is I'm providing the unlimited version, and this will be the unlimited version. There will be no problem, but it's important that you should have a VPS with you so that you can trade it with it. So let me show you some examples. For example, what I'm going to talk about this EA. So first of all, if you are going to use a cent account, then what we have tested that you should have a $200 minimum deposit. If you are a small trader, then you should have a minimum $200 in your account, and the account should be a cent account, and the lot size that is recommended is 0.2 lot size. But guys, if you are looking the $1,000 account, then your lot size should be 0.01, and then you can trade this EA. For example, let's take an example. Look, this account is traded on a cent account. This is the screenshot from my friend. Okay, you can see that in the today's date, that's 8th of January. So he has placed some trades. You can see 0.30. He has done 0.3058 cents, and like this Euro CAD 4.46, and like this 4.462. But guys, this is not about for the small traders only. So if you have a $1,000 account, then you should go for the lot size here. Okay, one more thing. Let's read the descriptions here. I will send you this notepad when you will join it, and I will tell you that that first of all, you know, that's the leverage that is recommended. However, you can use any type of leverage. Okay, recommendation is $1,000 account in case of a mini account or a standard account. Otherwise, if you have a $200 account, then you can go for 0.2 lot size, and try your best to join the broker ECN or low commission spread, so that you should not get worried about the trades. Okay, guys, basically this robot automatically closes the trades. Like for example, these are the trades that are triggered here. They were automatically closed. So basically these were for the testing purpose. Okay, what I will also give you the video that is provided to me by the developer, that if you want a VPS to pay for a VPS, then you can, because if you it's better to have a VPS, because if you use the computer for many days, probably the future it will not work. So maybe you will get getting problems in executing the trades. So VPS is important if you want to try it. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you another method also, but how can you use this. Okay, the below is the video, YouTube video. From here you can buy the VPS, and that does not cost so much. Okay, install the bot, and the best pairs to use is Euro Canadian dollar and Euro USD, and you will set up this on the 1 hour time frame. Okay guys, now let me show you that how, for example, right now no trading is going over here. So let's open the market, and now you can see, okay, we have active trade on Euro Canadian dollar, it's a buy, but no trading is on Euro USD right now. So you can see it is not taking any trades further right now. So we want it to take a trade. So what we are going to do is here, basically, you know guys, this is a demo account and we are testing it, and this report works on demo as well as real accounts. So what I am going to do, I am going to close the Euro USD chart, and I am going to reopen it. Okay, so here we have a Euro USD. Okay, so here we are on Euro USD. That's the 1 hour chart. And guys, please make sure that when you buy this report from me, then the auto trading button should be on so that it can take the trades. Okay, now if you look at here, let me put it down so that you can be able to see it. Okay, now if you look, the trade is currently in a profit. That's euro Canadian dollar. You can see it's basically a sell position, and you can see it has already received a drop. Now it's your choice. If you want to exit it from the trade, you will simply click on this one. Otherwise, it also manually closes the trade. So I have shown you the profits. If we go back again, then you can see that the profit has exited now. Okay, now let's come back here. So if you do not have a VPS, then we have another solution, that what I am looking at here right now. Look, you have opened the Euro USD chart. Okay, so here just a navigator. Okay, now here come the expert advisors. So this is the unlimited version. Okay, so guys, there is some setting for this. So you have to do settings all the time. If you are not going into the VPS, so lot size 0.1 and lot exponent, you will keep it to 1.11. Okay, that's a simple way. There's no, hardly it takes half a minute. From 180 you should set it to 150, and the and the maximum lots, it's up to 99. You will set up it to 0.50, and the take profit you will set it to 5. And common input, allow live trading should be ticked, and inputs. And now look how it will place the trade. Now you can see the robot has already placed a trade, and now Euro USD, it has opened 3 sell positions. Now guys, when it will be in your way, it will automatically close your trades. And just make sure that auto trading should be on your MT4 terminal. Okay, moreover guys, if you want to install this report, I will give you the setup files, and I'm going to tell you that how to install that report. That's very simple. You will copy the files that I will provide to you. You will go to the open data folder, and then you will go to MQL4, and then you will go to the experts, and you can see the unlimited version is already pasted here. So you will restart your MT4 terminal, then it will definitely come into your expert advisors here, and then you will double click it and you will simply add it on. So guys, this is the robot that we have tested it, and also have shown you my work, that how it performed today. And also you know that this is a cent account. It's also working good on a cent account. Moreover guys, you know, this is all about the forex, and we do not give any kind of guarantees. So by the way, the robots, I was searching for the robots from a very long time, but this is the best Forex EA that I have seen, that is working good, and with a low drawdown. It is basically giving, but you should have a patience. Patience is very important. If you have patience, then this report can give you very good profits. So guys, if you are interested in getting this report, then you need to contact me on info@200forexwebs.com. Okay guys, moreover, you know that about my other services, you know that I also provide the trading system. What the trading system, you know that I have a red boundary indicator trading system. So if you want the trading system, if you want to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.